Hello, life lessons today will be my impromptu conversation with my daughter. Days ago, we were inside the car, we were driving towards the mall, and then out of nowhere, she mentioned, Papa, I think I will not marry because I may not be able to find a boy that is as good as you. So I look at her. Can you say that again? So I say, I will not marry because maybe I cannot get a boy as good as you. So I laugh. So I asked her back, why are we having this conversation? So she replied, one of my friend has a crush, and she said, I think he will be my future husband. So, and my daughter is just 8 years old, so I really did not expect to hear this from her. So I told her that no one knows who will be your future partner, and in fact, me and your mother, we have 5 years gap. So I told my daughter, imagine if you are a grade 1 student and grade 5, grade 6 student will be your husband or your future wife. So nobody knows. So she laughed, and I told her not to worry about it. You will find your soulmate, and of course we have to pray for it. I even pray hard. Especially when you reach the age of 30, you pray harder hardest to find the right one or the love of your life. So yes, that's our conversation, and I will see to it to have a follow through conversation of the same topic with my daughter in a days or month to come, just to check who is her crush, past, present, and future crush in school. So until on our next life lesson, bye bye.